Is the subway like running
They were terrible, but they're also really entertaining, okay?
Partners, thank you.
Welcome, welcome. Look at this crowd. My goodness. This is wonderful. This is my first year at Russell Middle School. And it's been quite a few years that I have been at the middle school level. Some of you might know I started at Horace Mann Middle School for many years, and then I went on to Wasson, and darn it, had to close that high school down. It was really, really sad. But I'm very lucky that I got to come here. And the really good thing about me is that I retired this year. So some of these kids, they had Miss Cushing last year, and then they have me this year, and then they're going to have someone else next year. So some of them, it's going to be a really good lesson in flexibility. And I think as adults, we all know how important that is. Welcome, and I'm so glad to see so many of you. I sure wish that we had seats for everyone. Eventually, if any kind of really good bond issues pass in the near future, Ms. Williams is looking really hard to get us an auditorium. We are the Performing Arts Middle School, and I think we deserve an auditorium. And so hopefully in the future that is on our big wish list. This is our 6th grade choir, and they are dynamite. I started out with 54 of them. They are just going to impress you. You're just not going to believe how wonderful they are. I'm going to turn this over to one of our announcers.
Hi, my name is Violet Benson, and the first number we will be singing today is Wassail. Wassail is from the Old English saying "hail," which means behold, be well. This particular number was sung on campfires a while ago. This is a Welsh folk song. Hope you enjoy it. Blossomous Snowman came out in 1969, right after the 20th Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We hope you enjoy this holiday season.